different interests. They have the interests they have, and those interests are often in conflict.
But they all have some fundamental interests. And when you live in a country where 98% of all the benefits of increased productivity, which has gone up 80% in the last 40 years, goes to 1/2 of 1% of the population, and wages don't go up, everybody's got a common interest.
And the question is that common interest abstract or real? And that's the difference, because when people came out in the streets in 2006, the populations that came out on the streets were, like you said, were people that had undocumented people in their family or felt a kinship with them and saw the immediate possibility of threat up against the wall. And that to me is the sort of...
Given the fundamental corporate control of the major mass media and the fundamental corporate control of money, the only way you can educate people is from the grassroots upward, and that's what's got to save our country.
I'm glad you said that, because we're going to talk about, or sort of shift the discussion to what the GOP's plan for our economy looks like, somewhere it's already in place. But first, we're going to take a minute to hear from our corporate sponsors, and then we'll come right on back.